brand ambassador of Pantene, Anushka Sharma. So I'm here to talk to you about the new and improved Pantene, and I'm really happy and proud of this association with Pantene. What I've experienced after using the product is that it makes my hair healthy, which is very important to me. It should be healthy, and then it just looks good because your hair is healthy. So that's been my experience, Bianca.
Absolutely. This product's been a lifesaver for us it's been a lifesaver for us because we put it through so much damage.
That's true.
So much torture every single day with every
Losing
day on
your
set,
hair,
tonguing.
All
And
of that.
this product literally basically works to the core and leaves our hair nice and shiny. And we welcome you.
Thank you. So now, if you guys have any questions for me?
Yes,
Of course, yeah.
sorry about that. We're opening the floor for question and answers. The mics will be passed around.
I'd like to ask you that how much importance do you give to shampoo?
I mean, you can ask any girl actually. We give a lot of importance to our hair. I think for me personally, even if I don't put like much makeup, but my hair looks good, I feel very nice and confident. So I think for me, hair is very important, as is for so many girls, I'm sure. So it's very important to pick the right shampoo.
So Anushka, you started your career with Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, which was a super hit, and afterwards you just went on playing different characters role, and you proved yourself to be a versatile actor. And your recent movie PK, which was acclaimed and appreciated all over the world. So now, are you feeling that you are at the shiniest phase of your career?
I don't know. I mean, I think for me, as long as I'm, doing the kind of films I want to do and doing the kind of roles that, I'm striving for, I feel happy. I think I'm happy with the way things are going in my life. I've produced a film. I think I feel very proud of that. So yeah, I think it is a shiny phase. I hope it continues to be like that.
Anushka, when did you start using Pantene?
I actually tried it for the first time in March. Yep.
Okay. Stronger inside, one thing that Anushka feels.
What?
Has something that is stronger inside.
Within you?
Within Anushka. No one will like to hear from me.
I think it's, to me, I think I give a lot of importance to honesty. I think that's very important. I think it's very important to be honest. I think it's very important to be, a correct kind of person, be true to people. So yeah, I think for me that's what gives me the strength. I feel, sorry guys, I feel stronger because I have no fears. Like I don't have to hide anything. So that makes me feel strong.
I would like to know, how do you take care of your hair, especially when you shoot for a film like NH10. You have already shoot in different climate and situations, so would like to know about.
That was terrible actually, because my hair used to get very dirty, but then we needed it to be dirty also. See, the thing about films is that for different roles you have to do different things. It wasn't a very glamorous role. My hair did not have to look beautiful. It just had to look actually very bad because because of the story. I mean, if you've seen the film. So, but I mean, I was happy that it was getting dirtier, but then I used to use a lot more conditioner. Normally I wouldn't use that much, but I was using a lot more because I know that it was getting damaged a little too much.
I would like to know what criteria does Anushka Sharma keeps in mind when she endorses or when she's, endorsing for a brand?
See, for me, what's important, I ask a lot of questions. I want to know what is the product doing, whatever it's catering to, whatever, you know, your hair or skin or whatever it is. That's very important. For me, I take a lot of interest in this, is the creatives, like what is the brand trying to say? Is it racist? Is it sexist? Is it you know, kind of propagating some social taboo? So I make sure that that's not happening, because I don't want to endorse a brand which is propagating anything wrong, you know, fair skin, dark skin, etc., etc. So those are things that I look into. And so far in my career, I think I've been very fortunate to be associated with very reputed brands, and I've been on the brands for many years. So these are the various reasons I look for.
You took on to Twitter to ask for positivity, that you will block people who rant nonsense. And on Monday you got troll posts for like you misspelling to the former President Kalam. What you would like to say about it?
You know, about the second part, it was an honest mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. But having said that, my intentions or my feelings cannot be misconstrued. What I was saying was correct. So I think if the intentions can be understood, that's enough for me. And even if they don't understand, I know with what intention I was writing it. So, you know, afterwards, you know, I've been told a lot many times on Twitter. It's happened many times. And I've realized that I don't want to pay attention to people who actually are cowards, because they are hiding behind their computer screens with some fake name and saying things about you. Anybody can do that. Come and say it to my face. That's like, then I'll, you know, see.
So I just want to know, what does Azadi means to you? That's it.
Means everything to me, actually. Freedom, the liberty to act out my thoughts, my feelings is very important to me. I can't be confined to or restricted by anybody. You know, I've always been like that, because I'm responsible as a person. So I want the liberty to be able to exercise my thoughts and my ideas or whatever. So freedom to me is everything, and it should be to everyone. You know.
Hello, अनुष्का, healthy hair के लिए diet कितना जरूरी है आपकी? Diet? Yeah.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. What you eat is what you are. So it's very important to you know, make sure that you're eating enough vegetables and drinking enough water. So I've always done that. I've recently turned vegetarian, so I'm anyways eating a lot more vegetables than I used to earlier, and it's going great. I can see the difference.
Hi Anushka. Hi. So good evening. Many stars have come out and taken a stand on Yaqub Memon's execution. Do you have a stand on it, or do you have an opinion on it?
I'm not going to comment on that question. Sorry.
कि आप अपने हेयर के लिए ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो नहीं करती ताकि आपकी हेयर हमेशा अच्छी रहे?
तो नहीं करती.
नहीं करती.
You know, unfortunately मुझे बहुत सी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं जो probably मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए. इतना ज़्यादा ironing या इतना ज़्यादा you know products like you know your tonging, straightening नहीं करना चाहिए. But unfortunately that's my profession. So because of that I need something that, you know, when it's so demanding on my hair, I need something that delivers. So hence I just choose a good product like Pantene.
How do you manage on a bad hair day? And what would your beauty secret be, regimen be?
Bad hair day, I think obviously I do like a top knot which looks really nice. So just tie your hair in a bun, and right now it's in fashion, so works. What was the second question?
Your beauty regimen.
You know, I keep it very simple. I don't do too much with my skin. I think the question she asked, it's very important what you eat, and you know your lifestyle is very important. So you have to take care of your health, and you know make sure you exercise. That's very important. I see that makes a lot of difference in me when I exercise, and it's regular. So all these things. Water, very important, drink lots of water. I feel like some kind of dadi, like giving some information. बेटा ये खाना और ये पीना.
अभी आपने कहा कि आप बहुत ख्याल रखती हैं जब आप किसी भी ब्रांड को एंडोर्स करती हैं, तो क्या आप फ्यूचर में कोई फेयरनेस प्रोडक्ट एंडोर्स करेंगी?
मैंने आज तक नहीं किया है और मैं आगे जाके भी नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज इट प्रोपोगेट्स समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी रॉन्ग. Any kind of any brand that says ये ठीक नहीं और ये ठीक है, I don't want to endorse anything like that. So definitely not.
Done.
Thank you everybody. Thanks a lot.